In today's fast paced world, thousands of young graduates, freshers, and even working professionals struggle with the same question: which course should I choose? How do I improve my skills? How do I get industry ready? Out of this struggle, an idea was born, an idea called IT Gurukulam, a place designed to bridge the gap between classroom learning and real world IT work. At IT Gurukulam, learning is not limited to theory. Here, every learner steps into the shoes of an IT professional from day one, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., just like in a real company. You join daily stand up meetings, manage deadlines, submit timesheets, and work on a real client projects. In just 6 months of intensive training, you gain the experience that usually takes years to build on the job. Because here we believe in from classroom to career without the gap. Courses we offer is full stack development, Java and MERN, data science and AI ML with Gen AI, cloud computing and DevOps, UI UX design, product design, software testing and QA, web development like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React JS, mobile app development, React Native, Flutter, Python programming. Your growth is guided through one-on-one mentoring, real-time corporate projects, and internship level exposure. Along the way, you'll build an ATS-friendly resume, attend mock interviews with direct HR outreach, and sharpen your soft skills and interview techniques. By the end, you walk away with an internship certificate, real corporate experience, and complete industry readiness. All this comes at a very accessible course fees of just 30,000 rupees. And this course is for final year students, fresh graduates, professionals with career gaps, anyone serious about building a career in IT. Now let's compare a normal institute with IT Gurukulam. In most normal institutes, teaching is only theory based, but at IT Gurukulam, you train through real time corporate projects. Normal institutes have large batches with very little personal attention, while here we limit each batch to just 10 students. Elsewhere, you only get exposure to coding, but at IT Gurukulam, you also learn workplace skills like Agile, Scrum, Jira, and even submitting timesheets, just like in a real IT company. Normal institutes give you only a course completion certificate, but here you graduate with an internship certificate, an ATS friendly resume, and full interview preparation. In short, while normal institutes focus on just learning, IT Gurukulam prepares you for living the IT work culture from day one. Every program is guided by trainers with 5 to 10 plus years of corporate experience. Small batches of only 10 seats ensure personalized attention and mentoring. Located in Kondapur, Hyderabad, IT Gurukulam is more than a training center. It's your stepping stone to the IT world. So if you are ready to go beyond normal institutes, ready to live like an IT employee even before your first job, then IT Gurukulam is your destination. Call 9246341990 to book your seats now. Limited seats, only 10 per batch. Don't miss out, so hurry up.